In a small village near the Khewra Salt Mine, artisans like Arif carefully cut large Himalayan salt rocks to create beautiful lamps. The cutting process is the most important and delicate part of making a salt lamp. It requires skill, patience, and the right tools to avoid damaging the fragile salt. The process begins with selecting the right salt rock. These rocks are mined from deep within the Khewra Salt Mine and brought to workshops in large, rough chunks. Each piece of salt has natural pink, orange, and white shades. Arif carefully inspects each rock before starting. He looks for cracks, lines, or weak spots that could cause the rock to break during cutting. If the salt is too fragile, it might not survive the process, leading to wasted material. Only the strongest and most solid pieces are chosen to be turned into lamps. To cut the salt, Arif uses a special saw with a diamond-tipped blade. This type of blade is important because Himalayan salt is both hard and fragile at the same time. Regular saws can become dull quickly or damage the salt, causing it to crack. The diamond blade, however, can cut through the salt smoothly. Even with the right blade, Arif must cut very slowly and carefully. If he pushes too hard or tries to cut too fast, the salt could break into pieces. As Arif works, small chips sometimes fall off the salt. This is normal and happens even to experienced artisans. However, Arif does his best to minimize chipping by using gentle, steady movements. The goal is to keep as much of the rock intact as possible. Cutting salt is different from cutting wood or stone because salt has many tiny fractures inside that aren't always visible from the outside. Arif has learned over the years how to read the patterns in the salt to avoid these hidden cracks. Once the main cuts are finished, Arif begins shaping the lamp. He trims the edges and smooths out rough areas, but he keeps the natural, raw look of the salt. Each lamp has a unique shape and pattern because no two salt rocks are the same. After shaping, Arif drills a hole in the bottom of the lamp to fit a light bulb. This step must also be done carefully to avoid breaking the lamp at the final stage. When the lamp is complete and the light is placed inside, it glows warmly, showing the natural colors and patterns in the salt. The light highlights the pink and orange hues, giving the lamp a peaceful, calming effect. This is why people love Himalayan salt lamps. They are not just ordinary lights, but natural pieces of art. Arif takes great pride in his work. He knows that each lamp he creates will bring warmth and relaxation to homes around the world. The cutting process may be challenging, but Arif enjoys the craft, knowing that he is sharing a piece of the Himalayan mountains with people everywhere.